Hey guys, in this video we'll be seeing how to save specific pages of any PDF file, or you can say you have to download any specific pages of the PDF file. So this is the video in which you'll be seeing how to do the same. So first of all, you need to have that PDF from which you have to save a specific file. Specific pages. This is the PDF file. This may be present on your computer, or otherwise it may be also present on the internet. Okay, so procedure for both the methods is same. You need to follow these steps. First of all, you need to open that PDF with the help of Google Chrome browser. If you're having the file on your desktop, that is on your computer, then you need to open with and then go to Google Chrome. If the PDF file is present over the internet, then directly this screen will pop up when you click on the file which is present on the internet. I'm specifically talking about PDF files. Okay, so you have opened this PDF with the help of Google Chrome. Now there's a print option over here. Click on the print option, and then the total pages in this PDF file is 274 pages, right? And the destination is save as PDF. You need to check this save as PDF option, and the pages which you want to save, you need to make it to the custom and write here the pages you want to save. Let's say for example we'll copy the same as these pages. The meaning of this is 1 to 5 means 5 pages will be printed, or you can say will be saved. Then specifically 8th number of page, and then after that pages from 11 to 13. So this is the meaning of the thing which is given here. So we'll do the same thing over here. Page number 1 to 5. Okay, sorry, page number 1 to 5. Then after that specifically page number 8, and then after that specifically page number from 11 to 13. Okay, so these many pages, total 9 pages I have to save from this whole PDF file, right? Let it load for a while, and after it has been loaded, then you need to click save and save these wherever you want, destination. Okay, right? Syllabus, let's say 1. Okay, then click save, and then the file will be appeared on your desktop screen where you have saved, right? I have saved on my desktop screen. So this is that file. Open it and you will see the same thing. From page number there were total 9 pages which I have saved, right? So these are pages 1 to 5, then after that specifically 8th number of page, then after that pages 11 to 13. This is how you save or download specific pages from a PDF file. Okay, so that's it guys from this video. If you're having any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.